everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Blaze and I'm your music and English teacher here in Basicology with me. So for today's video, I am going to share with you a little about what is rhythm. So marami kasing nalilito patungkol sa rhythm, especially sa mga natuturuan kong mga students. So rhythm, as we know, yung definition nito is a repeated pattern of sounds. Okay? We also have here the phrases, stressing, you have the tempo or the speed. So actually, yung rhythm, hindi lang like repeated pattern of sounds. Meron siyang mga elements. So, pag isa-search niyo po sa Google, marami po talagang lalabas doon na merong 7 elements of rhythm, merong 5 elements, merong 3 elements. Okay? So, sa video na ito, I would like to share at least 7 elements of rhythm. And these are just the basic. Okay? As we have the like Basicology with me, lahat ng mga videos dito ay just very basic na kailangan malaman for the foundational skills of the student. So first, we have the time signature. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng time signature? So if you want to understand more about time signature, meron po sa playlist ko dito sa YouTube channel ko. Talaga yung time signature, ginagamit siya para magkaroon ng timing. Yung tamang timing. Diba pag kayo ay kumakanta ng Bayang Magiliw, sorry, it's Lupang Hinirang pala. Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan. Di ba? Meron siyang timing. Every morning yan. Nakikita ko pa yung teachers ko. Iba-ibang araw. Iba-iba yung mga nagkukumpas. Diba? So, yung time signature is very important. Next, we have the tempo. Pangalawa is the tempo. So, tempo is just simply means the speed. So, how fast or how slow the music is being played by the musician. Okay? And I also have a video about that sa channel ko. So, a little about tempo. Andyan yan sa upper left portion sa music sheets. And the example for that, meron tayong moderato, merong adagio, giocoso, meron tayong allegro. Okay? Actually, pwede pa yung bigyan pa ng more understandable tempo, which is the numeric. Okay? Merong numeric. So, yung numeric is yung 90 to 110 beats. Pwede din merong 60 to 80 beats. Ayan. So, pangatlo, meron tayong tinatawag na beats. Okay? Each note, each kind of note, meron siyang beats. I also have a separate video of that, notes and its beats. And then, meron tayong whole note, half note, quarter note, 8th note, 16th notes, meron pang 32nd notes dyan. So, we have those kinds of notes and each notes have its own note values and counts. Okay? It's very important that a student will know that. Kasi pag hindi niya alam yung beats ng notes, dire-diretso lang siyang mag-play. Hindi niya makukuha yung tamang timing. Okay? Nakaka-apekto kasi yon sa timing. Pag hindi mo alam yung beats ng bawat notes. So, pang-apat, meron tayong musical phrasing. So, hindi kasi pwede na diretso ka lang kumanta. Diretso ka lang kumanta. Sige, diretso ka. Tapos, hindi ka talaga hihinto, no? So, ibig sabihin, sa bandang huli, hihingalin ka talaga. Tapos, mawawalan ka ng lakas. Mawawalan lang siya. So, yung phrasing, ang nakakatulong sa isang musician, pianist, or yung any other kinds of musician, no? O, violinist ka ba? Or any kinds of instrument yung ginagamit mo. Pag wala kasing tamang phrasing, yung para kang tumatakbo nang walang pahinga. Okay? Basta ka lang tatakbo, ka lang nagtatakbo. Hanggang sa nawalan ka na ng malay. Hindi po dapat ganon. Hindi dapat ganon. Dapat marunong tayong huminto. Marunong tayong huminga. Ayan. Marunong tayong huminga. So, yung phrasing, hindi pwedeng yung isang buong kanta, diretsuhin mo lang siya ng pag-play. Meron siyang mga grupo na phrases para magkaroon ng emphasis. Mas maintindihan yung mensahe ng kanta. Okay? With or without lyrics. Kasi akala nila, maintindihan nila yung kanta pag meron lang lyrics. Hindi. Kahit walang lyrics, pag meron siyang musical phrasing, naiintindihan, no, ng mga tao yung emosyon ng kanta, yung gustong iparating ng kanta, yung song. So, pag hindi ka marunong magpahinga sa pagmamahal, di ba? Pumunta tayo sa pagmamahal. So, pag hindi ka marunong magpahinga sa pagmamahal, mapapagod ka rin. Mapapagod ka rin. At, yun, baka bigla ka na lang mag-give up. So, dapat merong tamang time. May tamang phrasing. Ganon. At pati naman sa pagmamahal, no? Sa pag-ibig, meron din palang phrasing. My gosh. So, pang-5, meron tayong tinatawag na meter. Okay? Yung meter is similar siya sa beats, which is organized into patterns. Okay? Meron siyang patterns. Pero, yung meter kasi, may iba-ibang kinds ng meter. We have the duple meter, we have the triple meter, we have the quadruple meter. At, ito ay connected with the time signature. Di ba yung time signature, meron siyang 2-4, meron 3-4, meron 4-4. Okay? So, yung meter, naapektuhan siya based sa kung ano yung beats and the time signature being used. So, pag 2-4, syempre, that will be duple meter. Pag 3-4, that will be triple meter. If 4-4, syempre, that will be quadruple meter. Number 6, accent. So, accent, I will give an example of an accent. So, accent is an emphasis. It's one way of stressing out that note when you read, when you play it. It is also giving you a stronger attack. Meron siyang malakas na influence. Malakas na atake sa pag-play ng specific note or notes. Okay, meron ding iba't ibang klase yung accent. So, maybe yung mga hindi ko pa nagawa ng video about sa elements ng rhythm. Maybe I will have a separate video of that para mas malalim pa yung pag-uusapan natin patungkol sa each one of the elements of rhythm. I already have the other elements. Okay, you can search that on my YouTube playlist. But this one, yung accent, wala pa siya, no? And then, we have the number 7. So, this is the last. My gosh. Ang dami pala nila. So, this is number 7. Is the syncopation. Syncopation is a part of elements that is giving you an offbeat. Okay? It's a tune or a piece of music na parang offbeat, may off sa beat. Sometimes kailangan na merong syncopation. Okay, parang sa buhay lang natin, no? May offbeat. Parang may something, parang hindi tama. Okay? Bigyan pa natin ng definition yung offbeat. Para siyang nag-disturb It's the disturbance of the notes or kind of like may interruption. Oh, di ba? Parang gano'n. Grabe na talaga yung yung elements. Alam mo yun? Instead na regular yung pattern ng flow ng music, nagiging irregular siya dahil sa syncopation. So, that is the seventh element of rhythm. Again, una, time signature. Okay? Pangalawa is ang tempo. Pangatlo is the beats. Pang-apat is the musical phrasing. Pang-lima is the meter. Pang-anim is the accent. And pang-pito is the syncopation. I hope you have learned something from this video. So thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you! Bye!